welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be our girl's favorite. It's a shopping haul. So I tried a bunch of trendy tops from Flipkart. Yes, it's not a usual website I shop from, but I was just browsing for some random thing and I saw some cute tops and I'm at a really good price. So everything I'm showing is ऑलमोस्ट अंडर रुपीज 300. शायद एक आध चीज़ है जो 350 के रेंज में है, बट 400 को तो क्रॉस बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही है. सो आई हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स राइट ओवर हियर विथ मी एंड इट्स लाइक 5-6 products. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first top है, उसकी शुरुआत ही हमें आई गेस अपने OG ब्लैक कलर से करनी चाहिए. एंड हॉल वीडियो है, ब्लैक कपड़े तो बनते हैं, बट योर गर्ल इज splurging colors now. मैं आजकल बहुत कलर्स ट्राई करने लग गई हूँ एंड आई एम ट्राइंग लिटरली डिफरेंट कलर्स विच आई हैव नेवर वोन इन माई लाइफ. सो ब्लैक फिर भी एक दो बेसिक्स चाहिए रहते हैं. सो आई वेंट फॉर दिस. First top is this black top right here. It's a basic black top. Material isn't the best, but it's okay. 300 rupees में तो क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट आई रियली लाइक द स्टाइल ऑफ इट एंड आई थॉट आई शुड हैव वन इन माई wardrobe. And it's like backless from here, so there is this tie-up detailing over here which you can tie on the back and it looks really good. You can wear this for clubs like parties or date nights and all, and it's really elegant. You can pair it in so many different ways and I really wanted one backless top since a long time, so I opt for this one and this costed me 339 rupees. So 340 rupees का है, 300 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर. So yeah, this is the top. So the next top, as I said, your girl is trying new colors. I went for this blue sort of color. It's looking really different in camera, but actually in person it's like a faded dull kind of a blue color with this kind of cut work on the neck, shoulders like going on. So I really like the pattern and it's in a ribbed material, so it's really stretchy and I liked the cut thing, so I went for a different color. Whatever I saw, it had red and yellow, also black white also, but red and yellow were too bright colors, so I went for this dull blue sort of thing which will look really good with like pants and street style kind of outfits. So it's again a cropped one and this material is good. It's thick but it's ribbed and stretchable. So this is the next top and this costed me 350 rupees only. So next item is not for me, it's for my mom, but I thought ki haul video hai, I must show you guys. If your mom is also interested in buying such things or even you can buy, it's nothing, it's just a basic strappy like fresh summer prints wale like colors wale mein. It's like a dress, so it's like a one piece and it do comes with a belt as well. So it's really good for summers, for going out or like casual ऐसे ही lunch outing के लिए जा रहे हो. So this is really good and I like the colors and everything. It's so bright, so fresh. So you should try this. You can suggest your mom or buy it for her. Next top is this basic black top, but it has like a ruched meshed detailing over here which you can see. So I went for a black basic top. So this you can use as blouse also for saris or with skirts and everything. So this has this knot over here which you can pull and जितना भी आगे से आपको छोटा करना है या जितना बड़ा रखना है you can keep. Even if you keep पूरा बड़ा, there is still the ruched detailing going over here which looks really good. Like a simple top से अच्छा थोड़ा बहुत detailing ऐसा हो, that really looks good. So I went for this. It's sleeveless, it's like simple cotton material and according to your comfort zone you can pull the string like however short you want and it will give you like a cropped effect. So as summer is going on, I thought I should add like a pop neon or some sort of color in my collection this time while shopping. So I went for this hot pink kind of color, and this is simple basic dress, high neck sort of thing with a little bit of sleeves, and it's like a simple bodycon dress. I think मुझे lose होगा, but let's see. And again, this is like a terry cotton material. I don't know if मैंने description पढ़ा या नहीं पढ़ा, but yeah, cotton तो नहीं है ये material, but थोड़ी सी गर्मी लगेगी, but I think it's really pretty color and it's just for 299 rupees. So 300 में एक प्यारा सा इतना अच्छा color and एक bodycon dress मिलना, it's really good. I really love the color. And it's bodycon dress, so you can style it in so many different ways. You can literally just color block with this, add pop of earrings, different footwear. So last but not the least, I know छोटा सा sweet सा haul था, but I really like explored different areas like cut neck top and some colors and everything, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So एक mini सा haul ही मैंने बना दिया YouTube पे. And the last thing is my favorite. I'm literally obsessed with bucket hats. Everyone is, it's so in trend right now, so I really wanted to try bucket hat, and this time I got like a black color with this beautiful cute butterfly over here, and it's reversible, so you just turn it and there you go, you have this white and this cow print sort of going on over here, and you can wear it in two ways. I mean, एक basic black भी मिल जाएगा, and here you have like a pop of color. So इसमें अलग color combinations भी थे, but I went for this pink color. इसमें black and white भी था. So if you're looking for cow print reversible में, you will get it, and it was only for 300 rupees, and you are getting like two reversible like sort of hat, and कहीं carry भी करना हो reversible रहेगा, it would be so easy to carry. And I really love this print. It's so bold, so eye-catchy and so good. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Comment down आपका favorite product कौन सा था. सारी लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर मिल जाएगी. माई फेवरेट वॉज ऑफकोर्स द बकेट हैट, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक बाय मोर बिकॉज आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड ओवर इट. एंड yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you love this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Love yourself and bye bye.